Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Learning and Interaction with Miss Aisha Khadir. We are doing quick revision of IGCSE and O-Levels Biology. So this is our second class and today we are covering these topics. First of all, we will discuss about kingdom animals. Kingdom animals, we have already discussed that they don't have cell wall. They are eukaryotic. They are multicellular, like their body is made up of more than one cell. Then they are eukaryotic, having true nucleus. And we also discussed that they don't have chloroplast, so they are heterotrophic in nature, like they are unable to produce their own food. So we will talk about the phylums of kingdom animals, then discuss phylum arthropods in detail, then phylum annelids, then mollusca, and then in the last we will do past paper questions. So in this diagram, you can see here that if you're talking about kingdom animals, so kingdom animals are classified into two main groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates having their own different type of classes, mammals, bird, fish, reptiles, amphibians. We will discuss it later. Today we are more concerned about invertebrates. Invertebrates means they don't have backbone in their body, don't have invertebrates, no vertebral column, no backbone. So different type of invertebrates are there with jointed leg, without jointed leg. And if we are talking about the jointed leg, so we have three pairs of leg, more than three pairs, different jointed legs are there. Like when we talk about jointed legs, so actually we are talking about arthropods. Then without legs, when we talk about without legs, so we will discuss annelids, mollusca, platyhelminthes, and different type of living organisms. So starting with kingdom animals, we will discuss phylum invertebrates and then we will discuss phylum vertebrates in next class. Okay. Today we will discuss about phylum arthropods, annelids, and mollusca, which are the subphylum of phylum invertebrates, like they don't have backbone in their body. So starting with phylum arthropods, arthropods, how can you distinguish arthropods? First of all, they have exoskeleton. They have exoskeleton. So this exoskeleton, this is not the bony skeleton, okay? This is made up of chitin. And what is chitin? A complex sugar molecule, okay? Then they usually have segmented body. Three segments are there, two segments are there, more than two segments, many segments are there. And the special feature that they have jointed legs, okay? Arthro means jointed, and ports means this word is related to legs. So they have jointed legs. It means two main feature. Number one, exoskeleton, the presence of exoskeleton, and secondly, they have jointed legs. Okay, so remember these 2 points. Then when we talk about arthropods, so arthropods are subdivided into class insects, arachnids, crustaceans, and myriapods. This is the picture in which you can observe some of the arthropods members, locust, butterfly, scorpion, prawn. These all are the examples of arthropod. Okay, now moving further. Now, first of all, we are talking about insects. When we talk about insects, so usually when we talk about insects, so actually insects are belongs to the phylum invertebrates. So it means they don't have vertebral column, have exoskeleton because they are belonging to phylum Arthropoda. Many terrestrial. Terrestrial means live on land. Okay, land, land habitat. Then they have three pairs of jointed leg. This is my main feature, that three pairs of jointed leg means total they have 6 legs. They have, okay, 3 pairs means 6 legs. 2 pairs of wings they have. They breathe through trachea, and body is divided into 3 segments: head, thorax, and abdomen. Is it clear? Now we are moving further. Then comes on arachnids. Arachnids, there are different type of examples of arachnids are there. Spider, daddy long legs, scorpion, mites, ticks. Okay. and they have 4 pairs of jointed legs. It means 8 total legs. Okay. Cold-blooded, like they could not maintain their body temperature. Arachnids don't have antenna or wings. Insects having wings and antenna, but they don't have. Okay, this is the distinguished feature. Arachnids body is divided into cephalothorax, a fusion of head and thorax. Like they have two segments. Their head region fused with the thorax region, so this is like considered as the one segment, and the abdomen, which is the second segment. Arachnids body having segmented body, they have exoskeleton, they have, but they don't have wings, but they have jointed appendages, means legs. Most are predator. Predator means they are parasites. They suck the blood of the host. So, like example in the example, mites and ticks are there, which are the parasites, and they are the blood sucking parasites. How they can do breathing? The mechanism of breathing by gills, and their gills are called book lungs. This is special type of gills having flap-like structure. So this type of gills are called book lungs. Okay. So this is all about arachnids. In the next slide, you can observe the picture of arachnids, scorpion, ticks, mites, whatever. Okay. Now comes on crustaceans. Crustaceans, crab, lobster, shrimps, woodlices are the example of crustaceans. Again, they are cold-blooded. All the invertebrates are cold-blooded. Okay. Crustaceans are generally aquatic, like they live in water. And how you can differentiate them between other arthropods? That having 2 pairs of appendages in front of the mouth, you can observe here. This one, and claws-like structures are there. And how many legs they have? They have more than 4 pairs of jointed legs. Like more than 8 legs they have. They have more than 8 legs. More than 8. So it could be 10, it could be 12 also. Okay. Usually 10 and 12 legs are there. So this is about crustacean. So insect having 6 legs, arachnids having 8 legs, and crustaceans having more than 8. Okay. Then in the last, we are talking about myriapods. Myriapods, this is the myriapod, having many legs, body divided into two sections, head and trunk. Trunk is the very long region. You can observe here many segments are there. Simple eyes, they have mandibles and maxilla, like means they have teeth-like structures. Respiration again by tracheal system, just like insects. Examples are centipede and millipede. You can observe the diagram here. With each segment, pair of leg is there. So many legs are there. Then we are talking about annelids. Annelids, sometimes questions are there about annelids. Basically, annelids having segmented body, but they don't have legs. So they are not belongs to phylum Arthropod. This is another phylum. Okay. Examples are earthworm, sandworm, rugworm, bristleworm. These all are the example of annelids. Keep it in your mind. Don't be confused with the myriapods and annelids. Usually they have the similar type of body. You can observe here, similar type of body, but myriapods having legs and arachnids having no legs. Okay. Then comes on mollusca. Mollusca they are aquatic in nature, but sometimes lives on land also, like snail. Usually body is covered by shell and soft body is there. They don't have jointed legs. Okay. Keep it in your mind. But they have this muscular foot. This is called muscular foot. And this muscular foot is the organ for movement. This is organ for locomotion. Okay. So don't be confused with this one. They have soft body, but shell is there. This is the shell. Okay. And they are different from arthropod because they don't have legs. Keep it in your mind. They don't have legs. Now comes on past paper. Use the key to identify the animal shown in the diagram. Has jointed legs? Yes, have jointed legs. 3 pairs of legs and more than 3 pairs of legs. Count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like 4 pairs of legs they have. So more than 3 pairs of legs means 4 pair. So this is C. Arachronita. Okay, sorry. Then comes on the second MCQs. The diagram shows 4 arthropod How many of these arthropods are insect? Yes, tell me. Insects having how many legs? Yes, 6 legs. So start to count the legs with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this is insect. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, this is insect also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, not insect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not insect. Okay. So it means 2 are insect here. So answer is B. Okay. Now the diagram shows an animal. This is the animal. Use the key to identify the animal. Has 2 wings, has 4 wings. Let's count the wing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Has 4 wings, so we have to go to 3. Yes, this one is the 3. Have feathery antenna, have a smooth antenna. Yes, observe the antenna of this animal having a smooth antenna. So option is D. So this is all about our today's class. I hope you understand each and everything in detail.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and set the difference between champion and second place.